my God, what has just happened? The Donald Trump tariffs have actually led to historical liquidations in Bitcoin and the crypto markets, with liquidations worth more than $10 billion according to some experts. This is the major black swan event for crypto in this market cycle. In such a scenario, what we should be doing? Our alts are already down by more than 50%, and for Bitcoin it went below the $93,000 mark. At this point of time, what should be our next strategy? What are some of the coins that I am going to buy, if any, and how we should position ourselves protecting our portfolio in case of such black swan events that might happen in the future again. With that being said, let's jump on to today's video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the subscribe button and please follow us, because I'll tell you, if you go to our YouTube channel, we actually made a video 4 days back. It was when Bitcoin was trading around the $104,000-$105,000 mark. We told you Bitcoin has the potential to crash in February. Yes, my friends, you can see it right over here. Bitcoin crash in February 2025 and bearish warning. I did not know this was coming, but I knew the charts were telling me that a major pullback for Bitcoin was on the cards. So guys, what was it and what we are going to do now? Without further ado, let's jump on to today's video. According to the Bybit CEO, the crypto market liquidations have been more than $10 billion, the largest ever liquidation event ever in the history of crypto, and the Bitcoin dominance has risen to more than 64%. Then it saw a pullback, currently at around 61% mark, but it also saw historical highs, my friends. The percentage that we never saw till 2021, even in the bear market of 2022 as well. We reached that. But this, my friends, is the beginning of the end for the Bitcoin dominance. That's what at least the charts are telling me. I don't know whether we'll get a reversal from here or not, but at this point of time, this particular candle is telling me that this is the beginning of the end for the Bitcoin dominance, right? And I'm expecting us to go below 57%, even to the lows of 52%, and a massive altcoin rally could follow in 2025, my friends. Now for Bitcoin, what did we see? We saw Bitcoin went to the lows of 91,200. From there, we got massive pullback, right? As you can see, the price did not remain below the $93,000 mark for long. And in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has actually gained more than $1,000, as you can see, about $1,000. As far as Ethereum is concerned, Ethereum saw the lows of $2,100. But for Ethereum, the best part was we had a typical line we had drawn. You can see over here. This was the support that we built from June of 2022. We touched it multiple number of times, and each time we touched it, we got a decent bounce, except for the time of August 2024, wherein we got a jump from this line. Then we ultimately collapsed back, and then we saw a rally from the lows of $2,000 to the highs of more than $4,000 in a period of about 2 months or 3 months. Will this happen again? Well, this particular white line has acted as a massive support for me, and personally for me, I've added to my Ethereum portfolio today as well, because I had this line drawn. I saw what was coming. I bought it around the $2,350 mark. That is where this white line was initially, and then we got a little bit of jump. That's not bad, right? Now, what is my strategy for crypto, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum? Am I selling all of my coins? Well, I have not sold a nickel worth of my crypto today, because today is a day where you want to buy more coins rather than selling it off. Yes, if you are on leverage, then you would have felt the pressure. But if you bought on spot, hold on and buy good fundamentally strong coins, then there is no problem whatsoever. Rather, today is a day where you can add a little bit of more of those coins. So what are those coins? First of all, I bought a little bit of Lofi as well. I had tweeted about it. Lofi is currently trading around the 77 million. You can see from here, Lofi made the lows of about 40 million, right? From there, it rose to about 47. In the past day or so, it's up by close to 100%, right? If you just compare the lows to the high. Where I bought Lofi around this price of 58 million approximately. and I plan to buy more and more Lofi. From the meme coin side, that is something that I am buying. Apart from that, no more meme coins for me. I bought a little bit of Sui token, which I'm extremely bullish on. I bought a little bit of ZK Sync. I'm bullish on it as well. And I bought a little bit of Say tokens as well. because fundamentally speaking, these are few coins that I strongly believe in apart from Ethereum, apart from Bitcoin. Did I add to my Bitcoin? No. Probably this is the time where we are going to take a shift from Bitcoin to Ethereum. I strongly believe the bottom was really in today, right? If you look at the charts very quickly, we made the lows of 0.023. Yes, it was a major correction. It was a major pullback. But what I can see from right here is that we are still forming this bullish divergence. Everyone is saying that this market cycle is different. Now, we have heard that over the past market cycles as well, wherein people have claimed that this market cycle is different. But what I truly believe is there is some fundamental difference in the market cycle and how the money is rotating in this market cycle. The fundamental reason behind this is the vast availability of coins. So if we go to CoinGecko, we'll be able to see very clearly here at the point of recording there are more than 17,000 coins that are available, and as we know, CoinGecko doesn't list all of the tokens, right? It lists a few that matches a certain threshold, right? And back in 2021, this number was hardly around the 1,500-ish or 2,000 coins, right? And we have risen more than 8x from there. And most of these coins are of no utility at all. Most of these coins, I don't want to use that word, but it's a shit coins, right? Look at this, coins like Fartcoin and few others, like they don't have any fundamental value whatsoever, at least at this point of time. And that is the reason why people are not putting in their money into Ethereum or some of the other large caps. Rather, they're focusing directly onto the meme coins. Whether you gain, whether you lose, you make a quick trade. If you gain, very good. If you lose, most people lose their money. They let it pass and they follow the next trend. That's why I said discipline is absolutely critical, my friends, for this market cycle and for any trading activity that we do. However this may be the case, I still get a feeling that Ethereum will actually see more than $6,000 to $8,000 in this market cycle. And by this market cycle, I mean 2025. More than $8,000 worth of Ethereum is absolutely possible, my friends. Okay. If we go to the monthly, we'll be able to see even more clearer patterns. Here we are printing a beautiful double bottom, as you can see. If I go to the RSI, you'll be able to see it much more clearly. What is this pattern? This is a double bottom and this is monthly, my friends. From here, it will not take much time for Ethereum to actually do a 2x or 2.5x, which will eventually take it to more than $7,000 and possibly to around $10,000 as well. So for me, I haven't sold any coins today. Rather, I have added to my portfolio today. Little bit. I was on the sidelines. I waited for the US to open. That's why a few people who had reached out to me saying that should I buy these coins right now? I told them wait, let the US markets open. That's the first criteria. When the US markets opened, I saw that crypto did not flush as much as it did in the morning when the CMEs opened. So guys, I hope you have saved your portfolios. Add fundamentally strong coins to your portfolio if you want to, and keep major portion of your portfolio in Bitcoin, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Take very good care of yourselves.